Well, it's a lovely autumn morning here in the UK, and here we have the Geochron workshop in all its glory. Walking through the door, we have a sign that says "Welcome to Geochron." We have lots of racking to put clocks on when they come in for repair. We have spare parts up here, maps. We have Vivaldi Four Seasons playing. Here we have one clock that's about to be taken apart and repaired. We have a tool bench. We have drawers full of different parts, like lights in here, time bands, analemma strip, etc. Motors over here, maps up there. Here we have the main workbench, and there's a clock that's just been repaired and is on test at the moment. In the corner we've got the computer, so we can keep up to date with the emails. Over here we've got more parts, a bit more storage, and of course the workbench. So that's it, folks. Geochron UK workshop.